Chippie looked at the repair video to this Midland 48 Excel Multi 2004 version, and we'll be doing this AM FM, though it's not intended at the time to be used in the UK AM FM, but because it's CE approved we are allowed to do that. We'll have to tell it that we are in Spain now to do the AM bit. So we've tuned it for UK 40, which is what the customer is going to be using it on. And it is doing 4 watts. That took some doing because it was doing 3 watts. That camera looks further away than usual, and we've not heard anybody on it. But then there you go. I've got RF gain and mic gain to 4. Let's take it. I'll use the factory original mic. We'll use the up downs on here. Put it on Mega Chippie channel. And unusually, the meter works on this. It's not often you see a working meter on one of these. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. Right, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Roger, ready now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. And on this radio there's no tone control.
Did we double then? Did you tell me there's no tone control when I was asking you if there's no tone control?
Yeah, just like happens, yeah, no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it is closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheels Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, Dodger, the roadwork's still ongoing.
Didn't look, I assume
Yes.
so.
Yes.
Mark says yes.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now passing the top of the
got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland Allen 48 Excel Multi, which is from 2004, doing 4 watt output, and I'm on the factory original mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger, Dodger.
So what did you do?
4 watts.
Yeah, I did. Stop me listening.
Oh, and if we catch the railway right today. No chuff today.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
There's not many trains this time. Sunday. There's a train now.
Yeah.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
So if it had been a few seconds later, or earlier, whatever, later, yeah, we'd have caught the train.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. I will just mention when we get to the 5 mile point, this will be CPT, AM and FM. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Midland 48 Excel Multi from 2004. And there you are. It's doing the 4 watts. I'm on the original mic. It's drawing 1.6 amps. Doesn't have low power. So I'll catch you on FM CPT. I'll have to fiddle with it.
Yep, roger that. I'll go and wait for you.
Yep.
They aren't all straightforward like this one. But they aren't all straightforward like this Thunderpole, you know.
It just works, doesn't it? It does what you want it to do. It's got a proper volume, proper squelch. You want to go to CPT, you press the button and it's done.
Tango 24, Mr. Chippie.
Yep, roger, receiving.
No problem at all on that one. Go to AM.
Yep, roger, going AM.
Yes.
Straight to AM.
Yeah. Just does what you want it to do.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, got you on AM CPT now.
Yep, roger that. Bit noisy, but it is clear on CPT.
Roger on
see you back there.
Yeah. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yep, roger that, copy you.
Oh, I don't know. I've got this into frequency display instead of tell display, so I've no idea where I was.
Oh, that's just great. I'm just saying how easy it is to use this Thunderpole compared to these other things.
Yeah, I didn't even know it did this. How stupid. Anyway, I'll have to look in the instruction book. Not that I've got the right instruction book, but I'll no doubt I'll find it in another version.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, if you go when you're ready.
Roger, will do.
Excel Multi from 2004, and there you are. It's doing the 4 watts. I'm on the original mic. It's drawing 1.6 amps. Doesn't have low power, so I'll catch you on FM CPT. I'll have to fiddle with this.
Yeah, Roger, I'll go and wait for you.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yep, Roger, receiving.
Yeah, no problem at all on that one. Let's go to AM.
Yep, Roger, going AM.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, got you on AM CPT now.
Yep, Roger that. But no, it's still on CPC.
Roger on that. We'll go back to UK FM.
Yep, Roger, see you later.
Roger. Two, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yep, Roger that, copy it.
Oh, I don't know. I've got this into frequency display instead of channel display, so I've no idea where I was.
Oh, it's just great. I'm just saying how easy it is to use this Thunderpole compared to these other things.
Yeah, I didn't even know it did this. How stupid. Anyway, I'll have to look in the instruction book. Not that I've got the right instruction book, but I'll no doubt I'll find it in another version.
Yep, Roger that.
Okay, if you go when you're ready.
Roger, will do.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that works fine on the whole. Just a fast at the 5 mile point.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, thanks so much. 10-10.
No problem. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And have you got a petrol price at that end, please?
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked fine on the whole. Just a faff at the 5 mile point.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, thanks very much. 10-10.
No problem, 10-10.
Okay, well, we'll find out how that goes back. I don't know. What did I wonder if I did the thingy wrong? Let's just try putting in UK again. No, I don't know. Something's happened, hasn't it? Right, we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on that factory original microphone.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 48 Excel Multi 2004 version into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for those of you interested, the reason it went into frequency display instead of channel display, the function button, if it's held more than 3 seconds, it does that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see whether we do something like a Undent tomorrow. Thanks for watching.